Precision Door, a name you can trust.
So here's one of our unique installs. It's a custom-built mahogany wood door. It's got unique handles and straps as well, but what's really unique is on the inside. What makes this install unique is that there's not enough headroom for the springs to be mounted in the front, so they have to be mounted in the back. Another thing we have here unique is a ceiling-mounted jack shaft operator. So normally it would be mounted here, but because there's not enough room here, you need more space to be able to mount an overhead motor. It's directly mounted to the tube, and it actually turns the tube, which lifts the door. It's a low headroom track. This top piece here is for this top roller. You can actually see that none of the other rollers are in this top piece. These are for the other rollers, and I can show you why down here. So this is the top mount track that the top roller is going to be in, and this is the other track that the rest of the rollers are going to be in. You can see that it's going to quickly turn versus these ones go this long arching turn. So if we pull the door down, see that top roller that's in that top track? And so that's that quick turn that it's going to make. If you don't have that much headroom in your garage, you have a little bit of space, don't be concerned. We can custom fit anything, like torsion to the rear.
Precision Door Service, a name you can trust.